We have got sign Kudu. In the factory, all we do is clean them up, polish them, burnish them, and then mop them over again. But to protect them, we do say use polish. Well, I normally just use neutral polish, but it's entirely up to the individual. We have got, like I say, a burgundy polish we can put on. That will not affect it one little bit. And take your brush and you brush them up. Or if no brush, use your cloth. But like I just said, if the neutral polish is just a basic polish we use in the shoe room in the factory, we just give it a liquor of the polish. Take your brush and brush them up.